In this video, we explain how to set up your wireless iWL 255 terminal. The iWL 255 communicates wirelessly via 3G network. The terminal comes with a SIM card inside, and it operates on an installed battery. First, the terminal needs to be charged for a minimum duration of 3 hours. Connect the terminal to the power outlet using the power cord from the box. The USB power port is located on the side of the terminal, and it's hidden under the cover. Connect the USB end of the cord to the side of the iWL 255 terminal. Once you plug in the terminal, the battery indicator on the screen will light up and display a charging symbol to indicate charging is in progress. With the terminal powered on and the signal bars in the top left corner indicating a strong signal, you're good to go.